Guys, this is a secret to getting more efficiency for your incoming calls. HighLevel's new multi-ring feature allows you to route your calls to up to 10 people. But why would you do that? If you got a team of people answering calls, you can up the efficiency by ringing up to 10 people's phones simultaneous instead of routing single calls to single team members. Whoever picks up the phone first wins the call. That way you can distribute your incoming calls to your team members in a way more efficient way. Let's jump into HighLevel to look at the settings for this. Inside of your sub-account settings, under My Staff, you should make sure that you have added all your team members and assigned a phone number to them. Under Phone Numbers in the sub-account settings, you can access your phone numbers configuration. Right at the bottom of those settings, you can select Ring Incoming Call to all users and select up to 8 people from your team. The user to whom this number is assigned to on the Teams page, along with the linked forwarding number, will automatically receive a call, resulting in a maximum of 10 concurrent rings. The incoming calls will ring on people's web app or mobile app. If both are selected in the user settings, only the web app will ring. As easy as that, have fun optimizing your incoming calls.